How to use a multimeter, a guide for maritime technicians? Welcome to TechC, your go-to channel for maritime technology insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial tools for any electro-technical officer, ETO, the multimeter. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits or performing routine maintenance, mastering this tool is essential. Let's break down how to effectively use a multimeter. What is a multimeter and why do you need? A multimeter is an indispensable instrument for anyone working with electronics. It combines three core functionalities. Voltmeter measures voltage. Ohmmeter measures resistance. Ammeter measures current. Some models also include continuity testing. The multimeter is your go-to tool for diagnosing circuit issues, like, is the switch operational? Is this wire conducting electricity, or is it broken? How much current is flowing through this LED? What's the remaining charge in your batteries? With a multimeter, you can answer these questions and more. Getting familiar with your multimeter? Your multimeter consists of four main parts. Display shows the measurement results. Selection knob lets you choose what you want to measure. Ports, where you connect the probes. Probes, usually a red and a black probe. Note, the color of the probes is just for convenience. The black probe connects to the COM port, while the red probe connects to the appropriate port based on what you're measuring. Understanding the ports. COM port, the black probe connects here. 10A, for measuring high currents over 200 mA. UAMA, for measuring small currents. VO, for measuring voltage and resistance and testing continuity. Measuring voltage. You can measure both AC and DC voltage. Look for V with a straight line, DC voltage. V with a wavy line, AC voltage. Steps. Set the multimeter to the appropriate voltage mode, AC or DC. Connect the red probe to the V port and the black probe to the COM port. Place the probes across the component you want to measure. Example, measuring a 5V battery's voltage. Set the range to 2V. If you're unsure of the voltage range, start with the highest setting and work your way down. Hat tip. If the display shows 1, it means the voltage exceeds the selected range. Measuring current. To measure current, your multimeter must be placed in series with the circuit. This means disconnect the circuit. Connect the red probe to one lead and the black probe to the other. Tip. Ensure the red probe is in the UAMA port for current measurements. Measuring resistance. Set the multimeter to the resistance mode, omega. Connect the probes to the resistor leads. The order doesn't matter. Example, a 470 ohm resistor might show 46661 ohm due to tolerances. Checking continuity. Continuity testing helps you identify broken connections or faulty wires. Here's how. Set the multimeter to the continuity mode, usually indicated by a speaker icon. Touch the probes to the 2 points you want to test. How it works. A continuous sound indicates a good connection, while silence means a break or fault. Warning. Always turn off the power before testing continuity to avoid damage or injury. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to use a multimeter confidently. For more expert tips and tutorials on maritime technology, make sure to subscribe this channel and stay updated with our latest content.